Investing in stocks can be a daunting task, especially for those who are new to the game. It requires patience, research, and a great deal of knowledge about the market. Whether you are looking to buy, sell, invest or dump stocks, there are certain tips that can help you navigate the complex world of stock trading. In this video, we will explore 10 essential tips that will help you make informed decisions when buying, selling, investing, or dumping stocks. These tips cover everything from researching companies to understanding stock trends and indicators, managing emotions, and setting realistic goals. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey in the stock market, these tips will help you navigate the unpredictable financial landscape. With the right strategy and approach, you can build a successful portfolio and achieve your financial goals. It's important to remember that investing in the stock market comes with risks and uncertainties, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can minimize those risks and increase your chances. 1. Buy low, sell high is more than just a catchy phrase, it's the golden rule of investing. When it comes to investing in the stock market, everyone seems to have their own tips and tricks. But there's one piece of advice that stands the test of time: buy low, sell high. It may sound like just a catchy phrase, but it's the golden rule of investing. The idea is simple: when stock prices are low, you buy them, and when they're high, you sell them. It sounds too easy, but it takes discipline, patience, and a bit of luck to make it work. So, if you're looking to invest in the stock market, remember to always keep an eye out for undervalued stocks that have potential for growth. And when the market starts to get hot, don't be afraid to take your profits and run. That's the key to successful buying, selling, investing, and dumping of your stocks. 2. Want to sell stocks like a pro? Keep an eye on market trends, stay informed and don't panic. When it comes to selling stocks like a pro, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, keep an eye on market trends. This means staying up to date on the latest news and keeping an eye on stock prices to identify trends and patterns. Secondly, it's important to stay informed. This means doing your research, reading financial reports, and staying current with industry news. And lastly, don't panic. Even the most seasoned investors can make mistakes, but it's important to stay level-headed and make informed decisions. By following these tips, you can confidently buy, sell, invest, and dump stocks like a pro. 3. Investing can be a gamble, but it doesn't have to be. Do your research, choose wisely and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in stocks can be like playing a game of poker. It's a gamble where you can either win big or lose everything you've got at stake. But here's the good news: it doesn't always have to be a blind bet. You can make informed decisions and mitigate the risks if you follow one golden rule: do your research. Whether you are planning to buy, sell, invest or dump stocks, knowing the market trends, analyzing the financial statements and reading up on the company's history can give you valuable insights into the potential risks and rewards. Don't put all your eggs in one basket though. Diversification is key. Choose wisely by spreading your investments across multiple sectors and industries. Remember, investing is not a game of chance, it's a game of strategy. 4. Dumping stocks can feel liberating, but don't let emotions get in the way. Stay rational, cut your losses and move on. The sweet feeling of hitting that sell button after holding onto a stock for too long. Dumping stocks can be an emotional roller coaster, but it can also feel liberating. However, before you get too excited, let's talk about staying rational. Yes, cutting your losses and moving on is important, but don't let emotions get in the way. Remember to always analyze the market trends and make calculated moves. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying and selling, but investing in stocks requires patience and strategic planning. Keep your head in the game and always remember to buy, sell, invest, and dump smartly. 5. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, there's always more to learn. Stay curious, stay motivated, and remember, knowledge is power. Are you a first-time buyer or a savvy investor who thinks they know it all? Well, whether you're a newbie or a pro, there's always more to learn when it comes to buying, selling, investing, and dumping stocks. Stay curious. Stay motivated. And most importantly, remember that knowledge is power. Don't be afraid to dig deeper and do your research. Follow the market, read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts. With so many resources available at your fingertips, there's no excuse not to educate yourself.